Good morning, welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I am charging 1000 rupees per month. You will get advanced prediction details as well as calls in the group. If you like my video, you can donate using those GPay and PhonePay and Paytm. And there are some basic rule you need to follow. You need to buy one or maximum two lots only, and that is the method which we are following, or maximum of the number size. For example, if you are having 1 lakh in account, you need to only invest 5% of your principal. That is the method. So 1 lakh if you're having in your account, you need to invest only 5,000 in the options. That is the maximum risk you can do. We are following this method strictly because it is working pretty much well, because we have the data and we have the prediction, so that we are making with a smaller amount of investments and grow from that smaller amount. We are not going to invest huge amount and getting panic and then making wrong decisions. So avoiding those wrong decisions, this is the method which we are following for a long time. No matter how much money you are bringing in, the best method, you need to invest maximum 5% in the options and wait as per the data it shows. No matter how much high or how much low, no matter bearish bullish, it doesn't matter. It is purely based on how our data is going to work. According to that only we are going. And I'll tell you another method as well. The next method, which is we need to, I'll open new. So how the one method which is 5% on the principal amount on the next method, which is month on month basics. How much money you can able to bring in. For example, from your pocket money, some people will have the habit of going to cinema or some kind of a food center or something for fun. They used to spend some kind of amount which is maybe 2000 3000, something like that. So you can restrict those amount, or maybe you can plan that kind of a method in here each and every month. For example, let's say if a person who is earning somewhere around 25,000 rupees monthly, so he can invest per a month of 750 to 1000. That is the maximum risk he can take, so which he can participate 100%. This is another type, because you need not to bring more money into the market. You need to risk smaller amount of money, and from that money you need to grow. So every month on month, if you planning this kind of a particular set of amount, you need to plan and go for your options to grow. So this is another type of plan. Why? Because if you are taking some put option or call option, whatever it may be, you need to wait for some time. It might grow from 10 rupees to 250 or even 300. We have booked so many times in our predictions, which means the maximum we are going to invest 750, and the profit size 250 to 300. If it is goes, it will go to 22k within a month or maybe within a week. So that's how. And another set of third group, which is kind of a high risk traders, it is kind of a different set. Why? Because the money which you need to bring in with a fixed deposit, you need to get somewhere around 5% to 6% from the bank. Or you can, apart from fixed deposit, you can invest into the mutual fund liquid scheme, something which gives you a weekly dividend or maybe monthly dividend or weekly dividend, which you may get somewhere around 8.5 to 5% to 12%. Rarely only some other plans are giving 12%, but you may get somewhere around 7.5, something like that. So those kind of investments, if you made, means you will get, for example, let's say 1 lakh is your FD, and 10 lakh is the another FD. So 1 lakh means you will get somewhere around let's say 6% per annum, means 6,000 divided by 12. So approximately you will get 500 every month on month to trade in the options. So you can buy some options on the weekly closing on Thursday, so which you may double the money and grow from that money, because your principal is not going to participate in the market, from only the interest is going to participate. So likewise the same, the 10 lakh will yield you from the fixed deposit 60,000, and then 5,000 every month you are going to buy and play in the options, which means you have the flexibility to hold and go for a long, or maybe if you're selling, if you're selling means you're going to buy put option, the market is going to fall down and you're going to buy put option and hold for such a long period, it might grow to such a level. If you're buying somewhere 40 means you can wait for somewhere it to grow for 300 to 400 or even 500 in the option. So that kind of a method, because the principal is not going to affect, so the principal will be protected in the FD and FD or mutual fund liquid scheme. So this is the kind of a method I'm following for my clients, so that the principal will not get eroded, only the interest only we are investing in the options and growing. So whoever interested to join in my methods, people are welcome. But the method you need to, the third method which I'm following is which is working for both of us, because I'm charging 1,000 rupees per a month, and after that the profit sharing, which is going to be, for example, if you are ended up with less than 5k, lower than 5k means apart from that 1,000 monthly charges, I'm not going to charge anything. After that, if anything goes beyond 5k to 10k, the charges with 1,000 plus 10% is the profit sharing. From this, it might be 9k is the profit on that particular month, means you are going to pay, and then 1k is the charge, and then in this 9k you need to pay 10% 900, so 1,900 is the charge. And then if anything goes beyond more than 10k in a month, so you're going to pay 1k as a normal charge for the monthly, and 20% is the profit sharing. For example, if you are ended up with 40,000 rupees on that particular month profit, because one particular month we ended up with more than 84,000. So if those kind of scenarios, you are going to pay 1,000 plus in that profit 20%. Let's go to the prediction for, we'll go to the market and how it has closed on Monday, and the prediction review. The market has opened in the positive 14,474.05. The low is around 14.383.10, and then a high went around 14,498.20, and the market has closed around 14,484.75. And let's go to the prediction review. As I said earlier in the prediction, the data are bullish on Monday. You can check my past video. Only the absolute frequency is indicating both side, because there is no frequency at all. So all we need to check out how the market is going to open. Anything opens above volatile level, which is indicating bullish market, and clearly the market has opened above 14,443. Exactly, the market has opened 14,474, which is higher than that particular level, and that is the reason market has ended up in the positive as well. And one more point which I highlighted here is, which is the pre-opening must have to be above this level. Anything open to 121.90, which is indicating the bullish market. That is also exactly happened. See, the market is clearly above that level, 40,469, and the market has opened above that level. And the low 14,383, which is clearly in our pivot level. Stop loss is not broken. Pivot level, normally we used to keep stop loss 10 points. Minus 10 point means 14,380.2. So exactly that stop loss is not broken. That is the reason it has recovered. I already told that if the market is not able to break that 14,507, it might have chances to fall down. Exactly that is what happened initially, and it is not able to break the level. In the pre-opening, it has fall down from that exact level and then came down. But still, once again, we know that the overall average stop loss is the we used to maintain in that particular level also not broken. Even the pivot level stop loss is still not broken, means it has a good chance to recover. That is what happened. The market has not broken the low of that pivot level, and then market has recovered and gone towards to the high close in the positive. Let's go to the prediction for Tuesday, how it is going to be. On on Tuesday, the ratio indicating positive, average indicating positive, weightage is also indicating positive, absolute frequency indicating positive. But the difference of 1 point, which shows that after a market goes towards to high, it might have fall down, and if it is initially falls down, it might have recover. So which means vice versa it is possible, but all four indications indicating positive. So if the pre-opening is in the positive, means might have chances to go bullish market, but the pre-opening is in the negative, we need to play much more cautiously. And as per the par value, if anything less than 49 points, which attracts the negative side, it might go heavier around 431 as well. So we need to play anything less than 449.20 in the pre-opening. Anything less than 14.533.95, then it is indicating downtrend. It's also possible, even though the four indications showing bullish, but it might have chances to go bearish too. So the warning signal clearly came. So how we need to trade on this particular day? If the market is opens in between the volatile zone, which is 111 and negative 36, in between the market is opens in the volatile zone, it is indicating the clear volatile market, which side it is going to break the volatile level, whether it is going to be volatile level 1 or the volatile level 2. According to that, it might catch the bearish or it might catch the bullish. Otherwise, it is indicating volatile. So we need to play much more cautiously on Tuesday. And one more thing, it is clearly showing four indications all are in the positive, which means if the pre-opening even opens in the negative, 1 point in the negative, which means it is indicating that the market might have go heavily bearish too, because whenever we have the four indications positive direction, but the pre-opening is not supporting that positive and it is opening in the negative, means it might go heavily bearish too on that particular day. We have saw so many times, and the stop loss need to be maintained. Overall average 14,525, adding 10 points on that particular. This is the stop loss level for the extreme bearish. If this particular level is not breaking, market might have chances to go extremely bearish, and the pre-opening must have to be in the negative. And the next stop loss where we can keep the pivot level, because anything below the pivot level indicating downside. So next stop loss we can maintain 14,541.90. 1 5. This is the next stop loss we can maintain on the negative pre-opening. On the positive pre-opening, we need to keep stop loss in the support level 1 or the overall average, which means overall average stop loss we need to maintain above the volatile level. So gap up around 111, more than 111.53 opens above means the overall average stop loss we need to maintain. Other than that, anything positive opening means we need to keep stop loss in the support level 1. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make a webinar by tomorrow evening, maybe somewhere around 4 to 5 or maybe 5 to 6. So whoever wants to participate in that webinar, I will give you a link, making another video for that webinar, and give that link. So whoever want to join that free webinar, so I would like to give you the basic rules and fundamentals, how to read those levels and how to play with these kind of pivots and the volatile levels and everything, so you can able to ask the doubt and you can make clear how to trade on these kind of datas, because it is matching each and every day, but many people does not able to understand the fundamental and basic rules. So I'm going to give you the basic rules, and I'm going to explain you the basic rules, how it is working and how you need to trade, and you can ask me the doubts so I can able to clarify your doubts on the live, so you can able to trade with this and make money. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Tuesday. Thank you.